Uh, Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Happy birthday to. So sweet, yeah. And my son, my Ayush is cutting it so well, and this is a cake that Barbeque Nation we got it, and ooh, wow, it's an actual chocolate cake, is it?
Yeah, it's cheese chocolate.
Cheese chocolate. Yeah, man. Ayush, take a first bite and tell us how it is. Because, okay, then you can give me also. Oh, wow, is it so good? Sure, sure. Give me also a bite. Give Nana also a bite. It's seriously good. Very good.
It's pineapple flavor.
Yeah, it's orange flavor, I think.
Yeah, orange.
Very nice. Yeah, chocolate cake. I can't believe it. It's so good. This is from Barbeque Nation. And no, actually, I used to get it in a katora, baby. So, no, Papa,